How to fix Viber login error on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will learn how we can fix Viber login error on Android. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. How to fix Viber login error on Android. If you want to fix the login error for the Viber application on Android because you're facing any type of issue, first of all, we'll start with internet connection. Check if your Wi-Fi or mobile data is quite stable and also try switching these connections. If you're using the Viber app on Android, long press the Viber app icon here, tap on the I button to come to the app info page. From here, go to storage, clear the cache files and also clear the data. Clearing the data will reset the Viber application, by the way. Now go to your Play Store or App Store and in search bar, just search for the Viber app. You want to check if the Viber app has an update, and of course, if it does, then you want to make sure to simply update it to the latest version. You also want to ensure that your phone number that you entered is actually correct, because due to an incorrect phone number also, you could be facing such issues, so make sure the phone number is correct. So hopefully after one of these, you may have helped solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in our next video.